So you live in the city of Huntington Beach and you are looking for help on a Dodge, Chrysler, or Jeep. But let's talk about Dodge right now. Dodge, Chrysler is the same thing. I've been in business since 1985. I'm going to give you a few reasons why you should come to Francisco's Automotive. My name is Francisco, Francisco's Automotive. I have a shop in Huntington Beach on Slater between Beach Boulevard and Gothard. First, let me show you my garden. I love my garden. I spend a lot of time here. I'm here from 7 to 6:30 at night. So this gives me a lot of peace. Now, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, they've come a long ways. You got the little PT Cruiser, you got the Dodge Caravan, you have the, the Jeeps, and you also have the Challenger. This is the real muscle car. I mean, everybody else wants is a wannabe newer muscle car, but this is a muscle car. And Dodge Chrysler, they've come a long ways. You know, you got your diesel trucks, the Cummins, they've always been the leader of diesel. Now, with that said, why should you come to Francisco's Automotive? Because it gives you a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, because it specializes in electrical. And I've been doing electrical since the 80s. Back when I used to have to hook up, this is a breakout box. I would hook this up between your computer and the actual harness, and this could go in the middle, and I could simulate anything on the car, your fuel pressure sensor, your fuel pressure regulator. I could bypass any component on the car by simulations. And I have another box I don't have here. This actually cost me over $40,000 back in the 80s, but it paid for itself because all my friends used to rent it from me. So it paid for itself over the year. And then you went to a scanner. After the scanner, it was easier to hook up, a lot faster. This used to take me a couple hours. Then you went to the laptop. The laptop gives me a lot more information. But a lot of people think that you can hook up a scanner and boom, it gives you a code for oxygen sensor and you replace the oxygen sensor. I know a lot of people that get a code for a catalytic converter and they replace the catalytic converter, and there's nothing wrong with catalytic converter. You know, so you have to know how to diagnose the car. My guys, they go to school a couple of weeks a year. I have a fear that I send a guy to school and he leaves me, and it's overcome by a bigger fear that I don't send him and he stays. So we're up with all my guys go to school, and for electrical and air conditioning, you got to stay up with it. You got self-driven cars, self-parking cars. How can you stay up with it? You got doors that open themselves, cars that start themselves, cars that will come to you, cars that park themselves. What makes all this run? What makes everything tick? There's a lot of mechanics out there that don't even know. They don't even begin. They were not. I'm constantly up with technology, constantly. One of my shop foremen just bought a scanner, cost him $13,000. That's the kind of equipment that we have here, and we all have it, not just me. And so I feel sorry for the other shops that don't have the equipment, they don't have the knowledge. I don't even know how they make it. I mean, a lot of them are going under, and my advice to you guys is close your shop, come get a job. I need another mechanic, I need another tech. I'm always looking for a good tech. Now, with that said, I'm gonna show you my shop. This is my shop. It goes to the back. I got 10 bays. I hire master techs. I'm writing a book on how to buy a car. You got any questions on an automobile? I want to buy a car, I want to sell a car, what do? I'm going to get my daughter a car. What kind of car should I get my daughter? What kind of car should I get myself? What's out there? Don't go buying a car without getting advice from somebody. Don't even start. You got to know what you want. And once you know what you want, call me up, pick my brain. I got a little bit of experience. I started in the business in 1975. I managed a pretty big shop from 78 to 85. Then I went off on my own. I used to have 2 shops. I sold one. I moved the other one here. Call me with any of your questions. 714-375-2661. I stole this from one of my friends. I can fix anything except a broken heart. Call me, 714-375-2661. Thank you for watching the video.